In the next DC application, we are going to see how a Photoflash unit works. Photoflash units are mainly used in camera to provide proper lighting so that we could get a good picture. In order to understand how a Photoflash unit works, we need to understand how this circuit operates. As far as the construction of this circuit goes, it is very simple. This circuit consists of a high voltage DC supply, two resistors. Among these two resistors, the value of this R1 is very high and the value of R2 is very small. So when the switch in position 1, the capacitor gets charged very slowly due to the large time constant, and it will take 5 times the time constant for the capacitor to get fully charged. As the switch moves to position 2, the capacitor suddenly gets discharged due to the low value of the resistance R2. The discharging time constant is also very small, and all of a sudden the whole energy which were stored in the capacitor suddenly dumps into the resistor R2, and due to this we get a huge current pulse within a small fraction of time, as you can see in this graph. So using this fact, we have also an electric spot welding machine. Well, this electric spot welding machine work on the same principle. Suppose you want to weld two metals, you need to just put those two metals in between these arms, and when inside this welding machine the capacitor gets discharged, a huge amount of current pulse is generated, and as a result a huge temperature is also generated which fuse the metals. In this way we see how a Photoflash unit works, and using the same principle of the Photoflash unit, how an electric spot welding works.